Okay, let's go. How to blow the three sounds. Mainly we blow the three sounds, the Tekiah, the Shevarim and the Teruah. First of all, Tekiah is one long sound. Okay, Shevarim is three broken sounds, and the Teruah is basically three broken sounds followed by 9 short sounds, 9 staccato beats. We call it 9 staccato beats. Okay, the Tekiah means God to take dominion over any situation or place, whether your workplace, your office, or the place that you want to go and blow. Okay, your surroundings. So it's asking God to take over that boundary. It's taking a peg. Shevarim is to breaking in and breaking out. That means to break away curses, to break away idol worships, to break away those spirits that are not of God. Okay, and Teruah sound means that God's judgment or God's glory and God's favor and blessing. So these are the three main sounds that we normally blow and we practice. Okay, let me show you the Tekiah sound. The Tekiah sounds, we need to blow the sounds. We start off with our tongue. Okay, show you the Tekiah sound. This is the Tekiah sound. Okay. So this is the Tekiah sound, one long blast. And the Shevarim is three short broken notes. It's toot, toot, toot. Okay, I'll blow 3 times the Shevarim sounds. Okay. So it's 3 short broken notes. So the Teruah sound is a toot with 9 staccato beats. It can be more than 9 staccato beats, but 9 staccato beats is a universal sound that we adopted. Okay. Okay, so that's how the sounds of Tekiah, Shevarim and Teruah sounds like. Okay, now if you want to blow universally as a group, so you need hand signal so that the sounds will be in one accord. Okay, it will synchronize as one. So I'll show you the hand signals. Okay, for Tekiah, normally I use my left hand, lift it high so that people can see you. When there are many people who wants to blow at one time. So 1 stands for Tekiah, 2 stands for Shevarim, 3 here stands for Teruah. Okay. For the Tekiah, I'll use 1 and I will use this as stop. Then this to get ready and the sound goes. Stop. Okay, for the Shevarim, I'll use 2 fingers. Same thing, stop, ready, toot, toot, toot. That's the Shevarim. And for the Teruah, I use 3 fingers. Same thing, stop, ready, and toot, 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 toot. Okay, so go back, practice this, and I hope that you'll improve your sound. Thank you.